Valerio.
T. This activist, by the way, I promise. Oh, God. Okay, my money way longer than NASCAR race.
Good morning, everybody. Getting into the big old Ram in the morning. But seriously, very good morning to you guys. Last couple days I've been uploading vlogs, and it's been feeling good. It's been feeling really good. Very, very humbling to be back.
Hey boys, look. All I gotta say is, what a year, what a year. Whoa. I decided now that every year's our year. Oh yeah, man, that's till we disappear. I'm focused on the near, never what's in the rear.
One-handed 240. I want to paint this one ASAP. Make it all black. Our neighbors are definitely cocaine dealers. I'm not even joking. They have a huge warehouse as big as ours, but there's nothing in it. Super shady. Sony, you guys are, he's talking about the Sony. Sonys don't have a screen, so literally I'm just looking at the lens, not knowing how the frame is in here. We got shrink film, so we can seal up Randy's board, so we can ship out to him. And then we're gonna start selling this on jdmbrand.com.
So excited.
Yeah, so we are just trying to get our Monday morning started. Rob's got labels to print out. We're gonna ship it out. He's pre-packing a bunch. We're gonna get those out, and then we gotta work on the backpack. Edgar over there is working on the design for, a skateboard. Edgar's working on the design for my Subaru on a skateboard, which is pretty cool. And then we got also ship the backpacks and the turbo lamps. More Edgar. That's like Cameron. That's sort of sassy. I gotta ship more stuff on Amazon. I gotta ship more stuff to Amazon. A ton of overstock from previous collaborations and partnerships. Naked Mannequin. Hello, Naked Mannequin. And the crew over here is getting shit done pretty quick.
Now, I got a little bit of money filling my pockets. Roll around like I run and shit. I got a system filled up with toxins. I've been broken hearted, now it's fuck that bitch. Getting how to deal with my problems. Fucking bitches getting drunk and shit, but these bitches getting obnoxious. It ain't nothing to me though, I love this shit. Go long days, longer nights, talk too much.
What's up, dude?
How's it going?
We're vlogging again.
Let's do it.
It's crazy, right?
Yeah.
I like your car.
Good thing. Thanks, man.
Crash anybody yet?
Not yet.
Nice. People crash into you though. Oh, low life? Low life? What happened?
Pretty much.
Oh shit.
The low life. I need some JDM zip ties.
There we go. Make it a JDM car. Like a dummy, I ordered the wrong shrink wrap. Actually, I correct myself. I ordered two shrink wrap for no reason. I ordered the big one and I ordered the small one for some reason. I don't know why. So we're gonna go and return it really quick. And then we're gonna come back and we're gonna shoot some video with Kevin, because Kevin's our photographer for Tuner Crate and all our other brands. So we're gonna come back, he's gonna shoot some photos of the skateboard, the backpack, some Tuner Crate stuff, and then I wanna do some crazy cart, and maybe he can take some lifestyle pictures and get it for the gram. Sounds like the Subaru was on. Sounds good. You guys filming a rap video? We gotta squeeze the Subaru out, but we don't want to start this up because it takes a little while to start up and warm up. You guys want a daily operations? Here's daily operations. Tuner Crate. Kevin, Kevworks. just fucking eat it. We're gonna go get the mail, Rob. Oh shit! Ah, too close. I almost killed the Subaru. Nice and slow.
That's why people actually walk them over there.
Yeah. You're like, is he gonna fucking I know, I was like, whoa. This is how we roll into car meets. Safety first, safety first. Ah! Okay, let's get back to work, huh? You know what? Is this GTR ready with red?
Oh no, the GTR has different things red.
It has red. So I want to do a different color. So that way, when you have the boards lined up, it's all different colors. I think the most difficult thing for a businessman is work-life balance, and it's hard. Especially for me right now. It's like I have a daughter that's like 1, and I really want to spend a bunch of time with her, but like it's Monday morning, and you know, obviously we had a longer weekend, and I'm kind of tired, and I want to like be home with her. But if I do that, then you know, bills aren't paid, and you know, I have to set up her life and everything. So a lot of people ask me, is like, so how do I balance this work-life balance? And it's not easy. It's actually hard, and I still struggle with it every day because like I'm really obsessive with my work. So I think the best advice is to organize and work efficiently as possible in order to make it efficient. And what I do is I tend to set up process that makes things efficient. So I have my reminders list and my to-dos like I told you guys last time. But at the same time, instead of like, if you're running an e-commerce store like I do, and instead of like processing one label at a time, what I do is I spend money on software that allows me to process a batch of them together, and then process them, and then they come here and then print the labels out in a stack, versus doing one by one. And I've met a lot of business owners that do it one by one, and they've been in business longer than I have, and they complain about why they don't have enough time for a bunch of stuff. And I think it's weird because it's like I discovered this early on in my business career because I knew I didn't want to spend a bunch of time on media work, which is like processing labels that take forever, which should be the easier part. Basically, the advice is to be smart about how you spend your time. It's not necessarily like, oh, we just need to spend more time. It's more of being smart about what you do with your time. So in this case, software is really important. Keeping things on track, not getting distracted. Same conversation we had a few vlogs ago about just keeping really focused on the end goal and then setting up all the steps to do it in order to achieve. If you guys are wanting to start a clothing brand, it's setting those steps, not just, I want a dope ass shirt so people can wear it. It's more of like, how do I get it into the hands of people to buy it first? How do I bring awareness to my brand? Set those steps first, and then execute it. Because if you think about the end goal and you just run to it, you're gonna miss all these little steps here. So setting each milestone, step 1, step 2, step 10, then you can achieve those goals, and then you can make sure you hit that end goal while living a normal life at the end. And I say this and I preach it, but it's freaking hard because I get distracted easy because I'm doing multiple businesses. But at the same time, I'm so obsessive with my work, I tend to forget about the little things. So that's why you guys see me like really just like shut down some days. You only see me on Snapchat or IG because like I'm not vlogging today. I'm gonna spend time with Aaliyah and Iris and just kind of like really focus on the family. And it's not easy at all. Like you guys think, oh, I've got things figured out, but it's so hard to have that work-life balance that I struggle with it daily. I wake up wanting to just hang out at home, and I can't. On weekends and Saturdays, Sundays, like I want to just chill, but my brain is like on all the time. And like I find myself, if Iris goes, like if she goes to the store for a quick minute, I'll tell her like, hey, I'm gonna sneak to the office. And she's like, why? It's like, I just need to be here, and I'll come here on the weekend and I'll sit in my office, and then I'll absorb the creative vibe, and then I'll work on something. And most people try to stay away from their office and their work and their jobs during weekends, but I find myself wanting to be here so bad because I want to get things done. And that took, I don't know, man, that took many years of like mentally training yourself, and eventually became just a personality. So for you guys wondering, work-life balance is freaking hard. It's setting up the process to make it easier versus scrambling and just kind of like, I need to fucking do this and do that. Hey, check that. Hand sanitizer. Hand sanitizer. Why? Edgar. Remember the sanitizer? Yeah. Do you think it'll look cooler with black background and white letters? Okay. So we can switch that art, and then after we print out all the stuff we need, let's do a sample piece real quick. Gonna avoid going out to lunch and eating out. So I have some noodles at the office. Cheers to you guys, a cup of noodles. End of work day. Oh my god. Another day, another dollar, mate. Oh man, I'm so tired. Fun, exciting day. But time to go home, say hello to the babies, and then hopefully go to the gym. Oh, this dad bod. Really tired, guys. I don't know if you guys are tired. Do you guys like Mondays? I like Mondays. I'm just tired. Like Dagger's tired.
Sydney sounding ain't really hard to miss. Niggas taking shots, we ain't even here to diss. How we hating?
You share food with Papa? You share food?
Mommy.
I'm not mommy.
Mommy.
You wanna share some food? It looks good.
No.
Hi, doggy. Okay, well, oh. You wanna share? What's up, guys? So I'm currently editing the vlog right now on my computer. If you guys watched my snap, you saw me show it. Aaliyah's sleeping right here on my chest. So I'm, trying to edit at the same time as getting her to sleep. So I'm dedicated to this vlog life. Just wanted to let you guys know. But I'm gonna end the vlog here. Good night, guys. I went to the gym. I just didn't film it. If you guys want to see some gym stuff, let me know in the comments. I just don't typically do it anymore. But thanks for watching, guys. What are we, 3-4 days in a row of vlogging? Crazy. Good night, guys. Peace out.